Hello, welcome back to another video. Sorry, it's been 7 days, as Craig Davies said. Yeah, I've been getting a haircut. But we're back. Should be a good day. Should be a nice day. So I'm expecting decent pickups, hopefully, fingers crossed. If I remember how to do this, you know, it has been 7 days. But yeah, let's see what we get. See you in a bit. Oh, here we go. I'm definitely late today. Well, it's 20 to 7. So, yeah. I've already seen someone walking around with a Paw Patrol tower. Not that I'm bothered. I'm actually not stiff today, for a change.
I don't know. Well, you get sheets up.
I noticed. What happens to them that catches up with you later? Yeah. He does. You managed to get through your younger.
Are these yours? Yeah. How much? 5? 5 quid.
You can sit in the chair.
Yeah, I'm going to have a cup of tea.
Yeah.
I'll move it round so I can see.
Yeah.
That's great. Have a nice day.
And them? £5. Hold on.
How's your man doing?
Pardon?
I was talking too early, wasn't I?
No, I've just got here. Literally just got here.
Oh, right, sorry. That's handy, isn't it?
You're very handy, yeah.
I'm back from the pub in there, get your missus to pull you around. Remember the best ones, brand new, the class. Just to the left.
Yeah. Them, they're £5 as well?
No.
They're more. How much are these ones?
£5.
Yep. Do that. How much are them ones?
Well, I wanted 20, I'll take 15.
Yeah, that's a bit much.
I don't know the receipts. I don't want because of the nice
Cork.
yeah, the inserts.
Burton, a lot of them. They a £5?
Yeah.
Yeah. 7.5. 20.
I wanted 20 for them.
Yeah.
I've had Nike early, but the guy buys.
Yeah.
Nike or the albums. I'm just avoiding the guy comes round, rip me off on the albums.
Albums.
Yeah, he asked me. I said these fairly rare albums, LPs and stuff. He wanted me number, and I gave him a number. And I took him down the rock for him to buy, and I told him the price before, and he didn't want to know. Well, I wasn't very well.
Oh, right.
Going into hospital, and he's robbed a few people. You know, done an old one for 30 quid. Says he'll go to the cash points and come back, and he never come back.
Oh, but you had them?
Yeah. yeah. Exactly.
Yeah. Were they a £5?
Yeah, go on then. Yeah.
Yeah, go on, I'll take them 25 quid then.
I bought, you know, the insoles.
Yeah.
They're the best. Class seem to do the best one, don't they? I've had enough today already. My back's killing me. Thank you.
There you are then. Thanks a lot.
Just had 2 new hips in the last few months.
God.
Well, thanks for that.
Yeah, no worries, thank you.
What's that, Celtic?
Yeah, I don't even support
Oh,
them.
that's champions, isn't it?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, that was interesting. Bristol Rovers had to win 7-0 for promotion.
Yeah.
And they won 7-0.
They won 7-0.
Can you believe that? What's the odds on that?
I don't know.
In the bookies it says I'll have a tenner on. I want to take a 7-0. You name your own
Madness,
price.
innit? Madness.
Madness, innit?
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, thank you.
See you later. How much are them, please?
£3.
3. Yeah, I'll take them, please. There you are. Thank you. Thanks a lot, cheers.
Go vlog 2 hours.
What on earth? How much are the figures?
Sorry.
How much are them?
£1.
Pounds. Yeah, £2 for the 2 figures, thank you. Wow. Steve Madden. No.
B20. B20. Yeah, 20. 2? 2 hotel papa. This one. HP. Yeah. Stack. You know Smetic, you know Vision? Smetic, yeah? Yeah, I'm there also. So if you call me, I'll tell you what. Yeah.
Steve Madden.
The feature right there.
How much?
£8.
8. 5?
Okay.
Yeah. Might have
Give me that bike.
how much are them ones?
£8.
Oh, there's no. I don't know what size that is. Yeah. I think I'll just take them for a £5.
Give me 10, you take.
Well, I don't know what size they are. There's no sizing in there.
Should I?
Oh no, there is, yeah. Oh right, 10, yeah. 43 is on the bottom, so there you are. Perfect, thanks a lot, cheers.
Pardon? £3. Okay. Okay, let me have the £4 for you. Thank you, mate. Cheers.
How much are these, please?
£5, mate, at least.
Yep, at least.
Try 'em on, you're alright.
I'm a size 4, mate.
Oh, right.
Yeah, I'll take them.
Okay, buddy. Thank you, mate.
Oh.
Five a change. Thank
Right,
you, bud.
thank you, cheers,
mate.
thanks a lot.
Give me £6, buddy. £5 for that. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, I'll just have these taken. Is that right? More records on
Oh, how much?
how many? Thank you.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17,
30 quid.
30. Is there more on there?
Yeah, but more classical.
25?
Nah, it's a good one. Good lot.
What's this in here? Let me check. What is this? Harry Potter first? No.
No, probably nothing.
Nothing. God, it's not even in English.
Wow.
30 quid.
Got me, you know.
No, you don't. Go on, yeah, 30 quid. That's a bit. Go on then, yeah, it's just over 2 quid each. Thank you.
You know this singer?
Yeah.
Oh my God. No, nobody knows. It's my boyfriend's favorite.
Above it, yeah.
He been on a concert and it's been signed.
Oh, yeah. How much?
£1.
Yeah, I'll take that.
He'll be happy, trust me.
Yeah, I know, above and beyond, yeah. Big trance DJs, yeah.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Oh, yeah.
Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Oh shit. Oh my god.
Changed it for that one, that's all. Changed it. We'll come back in a minute.
How much the blender? How much the blender? 30.
I'll come back in 5 minutes, I know you're hungry.
No, are you supposed to?
Oh, wood. Yeah, sorry, yeah, thank you.
How much are the skates?
10.
Tenner. Yeah, I'll take them, please.
With pleasure.
Your skating days are up.
No, it's my daughter's.
Oh, right.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot. And we're back in the shop. Obviously, it's been 11 days since the last video. I'm really sorry. 11 days. One of the main reasons, the weather weren't great last week, so I have to sort of make sure it's worth the time going to a car boot. It was on, but it was wet and it was a bit damp, and you know, I think what's happened is because it was absolutely packed today, people have just waited until the next good bout of weather, and it was worth going today. Well worth going today. It was packed. Went to eBoot. Oh, they've started their own YouTube channel. I'll put the link down below. So they're starting a YouTube channel from the eyes of a car boot owner and runner, and how it works, and meeting people at car boots and all the different characters and this and that. So yeah, should be it's quite funny. I'll put the link below. I forgot to say in the last video. So yeah, that's up and running. What has been going on, man? What has been going on? A lot's been going on. If you follow the shop Facebook page, link in the description, you would have seen Baksheesh and baksheesh, pal. Baksheesh and baksheesh, baksheesh and baksheesh, pal. I've been busy, very busy, and the shop isn't looking the best at the moment. But before we get to there, as with tradition, let me show you what has recently sold. I don't do much clothing, but I bought this, 18 months ago. Barber International. Pretty nice. What was it? Barber Safe Shields. It was in a charity shop for a tenner. It did have a couple of issues, but it's got like a little mark there. Anyway, I had it listed for £150, and someone offered 110. I was like, yes, please. Took that. No qualms. Yeah, so like I said, I don't do very much clothing. It was back when I was just having a look around charity shops and stuff, but yeah, 110. That was a lovely sale. This week has been absolutely, eBay has been absolutely crazy. Next up, Castle of the Winds 1. And I think, now correct me if I'm wrong, but I think this game was created by Elton John for Princess Diana. Castle of the Winds, something like that. But that went for £17.59 on an offer, said 12% out. Next up, a subscriber sale. Now this guy bought the record, sent some offers out. I've got loads of these for some reason, but they do sell. He lives in Ayrshire, in Cumnock, and that's where my family live, in Ayrshire, in Cumnock, if you can believe it. My nan was from there, so I've still got family there. And even more so, he's setting up his own record store in Ayrshire, in Cumnock, I presume. That's where he lives. But yeah, he bought Audio Bullies, Vince, featuring Nancy Sinatra, Shot You Down. That was £8. And then this, Everything But the Girl Missing, that was £35. Because of the way the shop is at the moment, it's a little bit different to the usual setup, the usual review of the bought. But let me just show you why, because if you can just have a look. There's baksheesh of baksheesh, pal, all over. I mean, that's just down there. What we got down there? More baksheesh down there. Yeah, just tons and tons. There literally is probably over a ton, because these weigh an absolute, what is it? They weigh a ton, really heavy. But what's in them? Sleeves, outer sleeves, inner sleeves, resealable sleeves. We got carbon fibre brushes. We've got record cleaning machines. Yeah, I've been busy. So basically, a guy who deals in pallets went up to his unit. He said he's got basically 2 pallets worth of this stuff. Do I want it? I was like, bloody hell. Do I want it? What's the price? Told me the price. Said, yeah, I'll have it. No problem. Definitely. So, a great deal. I could not refuse a deal like this. So, basically, I'm knocking them out at £10 a pack. They're about, I'm not sure now, I don't buy it. I personally go on Amazon and I buy these off Amazon, £18 a pack. And when you've got a collection, this is exactly what this is sleeved in. These kind of like heavy duty sort of sleeves. when you've got a collection of say 400 records, you have to sleeve them. So there's another nearly £80 onto the cost because you need to buy the sleeves. Yeah, we do try and keep the sleeves, but generally there is times where I don't have any sleeves because everything in the shop is sleeved. So yeah, what a deal. It's kept me busy. Now I'm just thinking about how to sell them. Sold a few to record dealers that are coming to the shop. I mean, the dealers need to sleeve their records, so they know they're not cheap. Then I might do a record fair with them. Might go to a car boot with them because it's too much for me. You know, there's 1,000 in a box, so it's too much for me. Way too much. So we've got to sell them. 60 quid for a box plus shipping if you want a box. But yeah, here we go. What did we get today? I mean, look at this. I feel like opening a shoe shop. An amazing amount of shoes, and there is actual shoes today. I don't tend to go for shoes, but I did today because there's some decent stuff by the looks. These are kind of like, I mean, I bought them because just look at them. Amazing. Steve Madden. Now, wasn't he an American footballer? Well, there could have been John Madden, but anyway. I did a quick Google Lens search on them because there's no kind of like identifiable tag. I mean, that comes out pretty easily. And that's just like a foam. They've been worn. No, there's an identifier in there, but yeah, Steve Madden. Yeah, I need to check what they were. They were a fiver. They were a fiver along with these Adidas. Decent condition. Again, there was no size on these at all. Oh no, there was. Yeah, 43. That's why I got them. Yes, but I think the tag has come off. You know, like the to show that they're real, but they seem to be real. They're pretty heavy as well. So normally they're fake. They're pretty light. You didn't see me pick these up. These are, I don't know what they are. You said they were running shoes. Oh yeah, enjoy your rhythm, enjoy your run. Pronation, I don't know what's their name. Capturan. Luckily, no holes in this. No holes, but even if they did have holes, I'd still get them. To be fair, they're a fiver. Good price. Again, these were off the same person. They're a fiver. Yeah, Ibiza's back on. People are looking for this sort of stuff. They won't hang around just because of the design. Not at all. Oh yeah, this pound Above and Beyond t-shirt. She was surprised I knew who Above and Beyond was. To be fair, not many people would have known, but yeah, trance DJs. And if you come across Above and Beyond records, and they're on the Anjuna Beats or any sort of Above and Beyond trance records, pick them up. Pretty expensive most of the time. Cat boots. Yeah, everything was a fiver. I didn't pay anything more than a fiver. I don't know where the other one of that is because I thought I didn't buy them. Nah, surely not. No, I can't have done. Well, maybe they're in the car. They must be in the car. A couple of pairs of black shoes. Anyway, fiver. What are these? Burton Latimer. But they're like pretty well made. Thing is, there's lots of events for the, you know, people going to weddings and all sorts of stuff. They don't want to pay a brand new pair of shoes just for an event. Savile Row, the master shoemaker, for a fiver. Elise, these are kind of, yeah, I keep thinking I'm picking up the wrong shoes. These are kind of like a bit like Rockport's, same style, same design. Elise, big size. What size are they? UK 11s. Some geezer's going to be going down the football wearing these, kicking someone's head in, you know, that sort of thing. Pair of Clarks, fiver, Active Air. Not sure on these, but for a fiver, nice condition, and they're big. I don't know what size these are. 10.5s, man. Another bundle of Terry Pratchett. So I've now got, well, no, that's 2. So I've got a bundle of 7 books. And then 50p, that's for the shop. 50p a book for the Oasis. And Message in a Bottle. Nice hardback book for the shop. £10 for the skates. And they were in a really good condition, really, considering they've been worn, but Roches, tenner, including the box. So yeah, I'll take that all day. And then records. I won't bore you with the records. Oh, these. I don't know if I was recording these. These are £3. Aggressive inline skates. They weigh a ton. Bit battered, but I've sold worse condition than these. And don't forget, people just use them for the base, and they'll take all these off and add their own wheels. I mean, pretty easily removed. Oh, the best record. I'll show you what the best record was today. Was actually paid 50p. Wasn't recording at the time. Sade, Paul Hardcastle. Where is it? It's probably at the bottom. It's probably at the bottom. Got no doubt. Where is it? This. Now 20. 50p. Bargain. Like I said it before, I think the higher the now, the more expensive the now. You try and remember that. If you now 1s, 2s and 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, I mean £10. Anything when you start going higher than that, you're talking like 12, 15s, 20s, yeah. So now 20, good find. So that was my pickups. Wicked, loving it, really good, loads of stock. Because that's not, if I forgot to say, that is not as what just has sold here. I have been having to keep on top of sales. Just off, I'll just quickly go through the top. Oh yeah, I sold a drone. Basically, it's a drone which you need a license to fly the thing. So my father-in-law, I mean, it's not my father-in-law, but my father-in-law, my partner's dad, he works for an animal sanctuary, and part of the animal sanctuary, it's in Evesham, they've got a charity shop. And basically someone came into the charity shop and said, there you are, don't want it, have it. And they're like, don't know what to do with it. So he said, I know someone that can sell that for us. So he's come up here, give it to me. I had it on for £1,000. It's untested, so you've got to remember, it's untested. I'm not allowed to test it, but we have powered it on, so it does power, and it comes with so many bits and pieces, brand new parts, all sorts of stuff. So weirdly, I had an offer Friday, 250 quid. I was like, no, I'm not even entertaining that. And half an hour later, I think the eBay algorithms must have kicked in, because I had another offer from someone else, somewhere completely different in the country, £675. So I'm thinking, there's not many people going to pay for a drone. I mean, it's a quality drone, brand new. That would have cost £1,000 easily, maybe 1.5. Who's going to pay £675? So they sent me a message, and it was, hi, I hope you accept the offer. The drone is going to be used in a Netflix film or a Netflix TV show starring, what's his name? Mark Wahlberg. And obviously, I had to say, I accepted the offer. After I was thinking about it for half an hour, I thought, £670. I'll take it. But I sent him a message. I said, I accept the offer. Please, would you be able to get Mark Wahlberg to send me a video message with, you know, hi, I'm Mark Wahlberg, subscribe to Brum Reseller, blah, 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 blah. So, forget Corey. Forget him. Forget Corey. He's gone. I've sent him an Instagram message. I've said, please, I hope you like my Tears for Fears picture discs. Where's my video message? He didn't even read it. So now we're on to Mark Wahlberg, okay? Mark Wahlberg is the man. So fingers crossed for this one. Mark Wahlberg, I know that Corey Feldman was in, you know, one of the best 80s movies of all time. 80s. But this is now, we're into the next level now. Mark Wahlberg is still a Hollywood movie star. Now, Corey Feldman, he's gone a bit downhill since. But yeah, so we're on to Mark Wahlberg. So let's hope we can get something, you know. You know, I'm you know, friend of the stars now. Surely they can just like do. I'm selling stuff to them, doing them favours, doing them deals. Just want a little bit. Just want a little something back off them. So yeah, that's that. Drone. So they're coming tomorrow to collect that. But sales. So many pairs of shoes have gone out. Like, so I'm glad I've got so many because I've got a lot of gaps on the shelves. We're in 2022 year of the bundle. I had 4 Sade, something like that, singles, put it into a bundle, 2022 year of the bundle, and they sold on auction for £21.50. So if you see them out and about, always worth picking up for a little bundle. Freddie Mercury and Montserrat Cabal album, Barcelona, $44.99. Good one to pick up. Anything else of interest? Thanks to Kieran at Rummage Around. Well, not thanks to him, because I already had it in stock, I just didn't list it, but he prompted me to list the one I had, and it was a complete set of Oxford Reading books, full collection, $34.99. Again, as we're still in 2022 year, the bundle, I had 11 Walt Disney vinyl album soundtracks, put them on an auction, 20 quid start. They ended at 22. Anything else of interest? Anything else? Don't think so. Oh, the Irregular Choice. Now I picked them up in probably the last video 11 days ago. They went for $21.99. Paid a £5. Yeah, that's about it really. Nothing else of interest. Oh, the on that same video, a Chasseur cast iron, that yellow saucepan I picked up last week, paid a £5. Someone I was getting a bit of a bashing in the comments. There was comments saying somebody felt very sort of on edge, or they really hated the fact that I was checking the price of a flask in front of the seller. So they really hated the fact that I was doing that. But it was that stall I bought £5 cast iron for, which I didn't check the price for, and that's over $34.99. So yeah, I'll leave it there. Thanks for watching. Fashion show coming up.